Hi guys, welcome back to Val's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna be doing something out of the box, unusual. Maybe one and two people can relate to that and say, boy, I have that already, I cook that already, but I'm gonna cook some curry saltfish rundown, guys. Tell me if you ever have that. Curry saltfish rundown. You know, sometimes you have to do some things out of the box. There's something different, some dumpling. Alright, so here are all my ingredients. Here are all my wonderful ingredients, guys. I have to have my saltfish that I soak. I do not boil my saltfish. I just soak it from overnight to keep in that flavor, to lock in that goodness in my saltfish. I have my seasoning, my sweet pepper, I have onion, scallion, garlic, pimento seeds, and I have a green pepper. I'm not gonna use any tomato in my curry. I don't use tomato in my curry. I have some black pepper. Yeah, here's my curry powder and my coconut powder. Today, guys, I'm not in the mood to break the coconut today, so I'm just gonna use the Maggi. All of them nice, but I'm gonna use the Maggi today. All right, use what you like. All right, guys. So come with me now. I'm gonna prepare this nice, lovely meal. Okay. Right. I have my onion. I use a piece of sweet pepper. I don't have any ripe pepper. If you have any pepper of a choice, you can use it. But I have green, so I'm using the green pepper. It was in the freezer though. That's how it looks, so like this, right? So don't mind that. I'm gonna put together the coconut milk. This is 1 tablespoon I use. There's a small amount of saltfish, about a half pound of saltfish. So half pound of saltfish, so I'm using half cup of coconut milk. You can use a pack too. This is some warm coconut milk. This is some warm water, guys. The warm water brings up the flavor. Now the warm water brings up the flavor. I use a 1 pack. Let me just use a 1 pack. Get more juicy. Yeah, let's use a 1 pack. Have a little oil here, guys. Some coconut oil. I'm gonna use a tablespoon of curry. Get the flavor up. You don't want the curry to burn, so you have to turn on the stove. Have some pimento seeds. Seasoning, garlic, onion, scallion, and thyme. I'm gonna leave the sweet pepper for a little. smell the aroma. It smells so sweet, so nice. Turn it up a little bit. I get the flavor now from the seasoning into the curry, so I can put in the coconut milk now. But guess what now? Dumpling. If you have yam, guys, if you have banana, anything of your choice, you can eat this way. But guess what? I'm gonna cook some dumpling with this. Now just turn on the stove and cover it, let it cook. The coconut milk, all the flavor come out and get the nice custard. And then now just come back and put in the salt fish. Alright? This is a wow. The curry is so pretty. It smells so good. I'm having a little amount of custard. So the thing now, what I'm going to be doing now, just put in the salt fish. Right? Yes. This is going to be so nice. And just put some black pepper. It smells like real coconut. Guys, yes, this is gonna be so nice, so nice. I'll just cover it back. Cover this down and let it simmer for 5 minutes. So you could smell the aroma through the phone. I'm gonna turn it off now. Yeah. Yes, guys. You not even have to taste this, guys. You don't have to, because everything you put in all the flavor come right out. Everything. Remember, I'm tell you, even though I like to taste your pot. But the pot here, Wow. Boy, value your body, you know, girl? Value your body. Country style, guys. Down the country style. Sweet food, you know? Even though I not have the real coconut, the dry coconut butter, it tastes nice. The Maggi, it tastes real nice. Now, I advertise the Maggi, you know. I just love use certain products. Guys, tell me down in the comment section which product you like, which if you like, you know, Grace, you like Lasco, you like Maggi. No, Maggi not have certain, yeah, Maggi have Eve, Grace, all of them top, you know them brand that we used to. Tell me which one is your favorite, guys. this is my final dish. My curry saltfish rundown. Curry saltfish rundown. Curry saltfish in coconut milk. Anyway you put it, guys, it's so delicious. It's so nice. So guys, thanks again for watching. As always, please remember to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, put the settings on all, guys, so you won't miss an upload. And thanks again, guys, for watching. See you all in the next video, and bye. Guys, the food's sweet. Saltfish sweet, guys, sweet.